Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So you want the vehicle on to begin, which this one's already on, just regular key, start. And then you want to make sure your display system is on, which is the power. And then from here, when it's all on, you push the home button. And then you can use this to scroll and select, but you want it to be on phone, and then press select. And then from here, scroll down to phone settings, select. And then if you have a device already connected, you can select it in this menu, or pair a new device, which select.
Pair, please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
So you want this on. Every phone's a little different, but you want...
Once the search is complete, select your vehicle on your phone, and if required, enter the code 3851. Again, the code is 3851.
Okay, so yeah, you want this highlighted on whatever you've got and turned on, and then your scan on until you find something related to this vehicle to connect to. And then as that voice said, you're going to be typing this pin in a moment. It's probably your vehicle here, so we'll click that. And then get both in the screen.
Please confirm this code on your Bluetooth device, 585432. To confirm the code, say yes. Otherwise, say no.
Yes.
Please say the name tag you want to give this phone.
Clay.
About to store.
Clay.
Does that sound okay?
Yes. Clay.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the main menu. Ready.
That's it.
Store. Please say the phone number you would like to store. Thank you.
All right.
Goodbye.
And then, yeah, so this is another quick access to all those phone commands like we just listened to. But yeah, my phone's already connected, as you heard, but let's say we want to remove it now, or a different phone. Typically, you have a max number of phones that can be connected to, so you might have to remove some. So we'll go get into phone settings, enter, device list, enter. And whichever device, we'll just get rid of mine. I selected it, go down to delete, select, select again to delete. That's it. And then it'll still be displayed on your personal device. You can remove that later if you choose. But anyways, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.